All right, let's keep it real. Ever since moving to Georgia about 3 years ago, this New Englander hasn't gotten used to crap down here. You know what I haven't gotten used to the most, and it really pisses me off? The freaking heat. You know what comes with that? Humidity. You know what comes with that? Freaking stink. You know what takes care of stink? I got something for you. Check this stuff out called Rest My Vest. You know the body armor? Come on, man. Spray that junk. Those shoes, don't even ask. Just do it. Hit the uniform, too. You know what's nice is when you get that stinky transport and he smells like freaking rotten eggs, puke, like he hasn't bathed in like 4,000 years. You know what happens? I'm one up on you again. Rest my vest. Let's go, man. Smelling good. And to top things off, check out this little hanging device. Yes, buddy. It's already starting to smell good in here. I mean, I wouldn't go to the mirror as your first choice as a place to hang it, but, you know, you can put that anywhere in your car. So what you waiting on? I got a link down below for you for 20% off. Come on, go grab some now. Pew pew.